Hey, Legacy Flat Roofing Sheet Metal. We're here in Alvinston, Ontario, beautiful town. We are doing a new flat roof over a carport. So a good thing about the carport, we don't really have to worry about vapor barrier issues. We don't have to worry about insulation because it's an open concept. But we obviously still have to worry about that it is waterproof, watertight. So there we go. Go ahead and take a look. The job is roughly 25 by 25, maybe a shade smaller than that. We did have a couple of details where we had to close in. This was an addition to an existing house. So there was some separation between the carport and the home. So we have to close it in. And we have an eaves trough on one side. That's how the roof drains water, and a couple of parapet details. So what you're looking at here, this is the new substrate. So there's some rotted wood that had to get replaced. We screwed down new substrate. Now we're ready to go. We'll show you what it looks like once we prime this roof and put the base sheet on. Thanks a lot. Hey, welcome back. We finished the job. It was a bit of a later afternoon, so we had to hurry up. The job turned out wonderful. We were able to give the client a brand new roof. More importantly, come on, I'll show you. We had a wall detail that was wide open when we started. It's just two separate buildings. The garage overhang canopy to the interior space. And this was wide open. So we had to do some detail work. We closed it in with aluminum framing and then a base sheet, cap sheet. We put mastic and a rubberized polyurethane coating just to close it all up. We have a wall detail there and a drip flashing. Really happy with the way this turned out. Secondly, he'll have a car canopy where he can keep his car and other toys dry. Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. If you're in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can call us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.